How to view your Spotify's most played playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can view your Spotify's most played, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to view our Spotify's most played songs, we will not be able to do it from the Spotify application. As you are aware, the Spotify app only gives you your top mixes and some of the top songs that I might listen to and they're recently played, but there aren't any type of such as the top songs that I listen to personally. So in order to do this, we need a help of a software or a website which is called mytopspotify.io. So I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. You just want to go to mytopspotify.io. so it's the official website, which is mytopspotify.io. Once you go to the specific website over here, you should be able to come to this page that says my top for Spotify. So now just log into your Spotify account over here, tap on the login option. Once you do so, just go ahead and then enter your login details and then just tap on the agree button to give it the permissions. Once you do that, you should be able to see your top 10 songs that you listened to in the past 6 months over here, as you can see. Now you can also change the duration of the past 4 weeks of all time, or maybe the top 10 or the top 20 or top 50. So in this case, you can see these songs, and you can also listen to top artists over here. You can see the artists that you listen to the most, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually view your Spotify's most played. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.